Part 1. Introduction and Overview. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Farm Flux USA, your trusted source for modern and profitable farming techniques. Global and U.S. market trends for sheep farming in 2025. Why sheep farming is making a comeback in the USA. Comparing sheep farming profitability versus cattle, goats, and poultry. Main revenue streams: meat, wool, milk, breeding stock, manure. Short-term and long-term profit potential with numbers. Part 2. Choosing the right sheep. Breed and farm planning. Best U.S. sheep breeds for different purposes. For meat: Dorper, Katahdin, Suffolk, Texel. For wool: Merino, Rambouillet, Romney. For milk: East Frisian, Lacan. Climate-based breed recommendations: hot states versus cold states. How to buy quality breeding stock without getting cheated. Farm site selection: soil, water, fencing needs, U.S. legal requirements, USDA, state livestock registration, zoning laws, step-by-step guide to building a practical farm layout. Part 3. Feeding, housing, and health management. Pasture management for year-round grazing, grain supplementation and mineral mixes, special diet for pregnant ewes and growing lambs. Housing: barn and shed designs for U.S. climates, ventilation, bedding, and lambing pens, cost breakdown for different housing sizes. Healthcare: vaccination schedules for U.S. sheep farms, common diseases, foot rot, internal parasites, pneumonia, deworming methods and natural prevention tips, record keeping for health and breeding. Part 4. Breeding and lambing. Understanding sheep reproduction cycles. Best breeding times in the U.S. for market demand, selecting rams and ewes for better genetics, pregnancy detection and care during gestation, preparing for lambing, equipment, space, and safety. Lamb delivery, normal versus complications. Lamb care in the first 30 days, feeding, docking, tagging. Part 5. Marketing, sales, and profit calculation. How to price meat, wool, and milk in the U.S. Selling through farmers markets, butcher shops, online platforms, negotiating with wholesale buyers, export opportunities from the USA. Detailed profit calculation. Example: 50 sheep farm in Texas. Annual cost versus revenue breakdown. How to reinvest profits for scaling up. Part 6. Automation, technology, and scaling. Using sheep tracking apps and health monitoring sensors. Solar-powered fencing and water systems. Sheep shearing machines and milking setups. Expanding from 50 to 500 sheep without losing quality. Building your own brand for premium sales.